Hello. Today we are going to learn about going to for the future. So we will go through the structure and there will be some questions for you to have a look at and have some practice. Let's get started. So first of all, we have the form, and here we have the structure for a positive sentence. So we've got the subject, am, is, or are, so be verb plus going to plus the base verb. And then for the negative, we've got am, is, are plus not, and then going to plus the base verb. So let's have a look at some of these examples. So here, first of all, we've got, so I'm going to eat dinner at 7 o'clock. So the I'm is the am, and we've contracted it, made it shorter. And the same, the next one, so she's going to play tennis tomorrow. So the is changed. And then the last one, they are going to go shopping on Saturday. So we've got are changed. And for speaking, we always shorten these. So these ones are all positive. Yes, so these are the positive examples. Next, let's have a look at these three. So I'm not going to eat dinner at 7 o'clock. And again, the am has been changed. Then she isn't going to play tennis tomorrow. So is not is changed to isn't. And then the last one, they aren't going to go shopping on Saturday. So are not is changed to aren't. Okay, so these ones are the negative examples. So next, have a look at the slide showing, so here we are now, and we are talking about something in the future. So she's going to play tennis tomorrow. So tomorrow will be in the future. Okay, the next part. So when we use going to, we use for plans or intentions. So some future plan. She is going to start a new job next month. I am going to clean the house this afternoon. We also use for predictions based on evidence. So, prediction we can make now as we look at this. So, look at the dark sky, it's going to rain. And the second one, he is going to fall if he doesn't hold on. Okay, so next, let's have a look at some common mistakes. So here we've got 4 common mistakes with going to. So these are all wrong. So look at them. What is wrong? Can you work it out? Okay, maybe you can pause the video if you want to work it out yourself. And so now we will move on to the next slide where we have the corrected answers. So here we've got, so the parts we've corrected, she is going to visit her friend. They are not going to come. So they aren't going to come. It is going to rain tomorrow. It's going to rain tomorrow. I am not going to eat dinner. I'm not going to eat dinner. So these would be the corrected sentences from what we had before. And then the next part, here we've got some practice questions. So can you make these 4 future sentences using going to? So we've got the verbs visit, and then the second one, we've got not attend. The third one, buy, and then the last one, we've got not go. So again, pause the video if you want to make the sentences yourself. And next, we will move on to the corrected sentences, so the example answers. Here we go. So, she is going to visit her friend tomorrow. They are not going to attend the concert next week. He is going to buy a new car soon. We are not going to go to the beach this weekend. And for these, we will contract the be verb. So the first one will be, she's going to visit her friend tomorrow. They aren't going to attend the concert next week. He's going to buy a new car soon. We aren't going to go to the beach this weekend. Okay, so to finish, here are some homework which you can put in the comments. So write 5 sentences using going to in the positive form, and write 5 sentences using going to in the negative form. If you put those in the comments, I will have a look at them and check them for you. Please smash a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.